Hello again. This video is about the assessment criteria which is used by IELTS examiner in giving you the band skill. So from that perspective, this is important chapter and you need to understand the evaluation criteria so that you can plan and you can answer based on those criteria. So there are four evaluation criteria. I hope many of you must know this. Even if you know that, still go through this. It will help you somehow. So first criteria is task achievement. I'll discuss about them in details. Here just know what are the four criteria. The second is coherence and cohesion. The third one is lexical resources. And the fourth one is grammatical range and accuracy. Now let's try to understand one by one in each video. So at first we'll try to understand what exactly is the task achievement part. So you can see here what exactly is the task achievement part and how to achieve them, right? So this is what the official band descriptor says, and this is what it can be simplified into. So the first one is saying cover the requirement of the task. Requirement of the task means whatever is being asked in a question, you need to answer them. So that means write about everything asked in the task and write at least 150 words. So let me show you with some pictures that can be used here. So for example, if this is the question, they're saying the chart and table below give information about population figures in Japan. Summarize the information. So the first thing they're asking is summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features. So what you have to do, you have to select the main feature, that means the main information, and report it and make comparison wherever relevant. So what you can see or what you have seen, it's about summarizing it and comparing it. And each and every question will ask you the same thing. If you see this question here, summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features and make comparison where relevant. So now if you have got one picture, as you have seen earlier, so if you have got one picture, as you can see, we have got one picture here. So you just have to describe that particular picture, right? But then if you have got two pictures as here, you need to describe, that means you need to summarize both of them, and wherever comparison is relevant, you can compare them as well, right? So that was responding to task one. That's the first criteria. The second is say present a clear purpose with a tone consistent and appropriate. Let me break it into simplification. Write an overview. You have to write an overview in which the trends or important differences in the data are clearly demonstrated. So I see it's not only overview, even it's the introduction where you say what exactly you're going to write. An overview is a section, is a paragraph, and which is very important. You can see it's very important, where you talk about the picture, that what exactly the picture is trying to show or indicate. That's an overview, right? We will discuss that in details in coming classes. But that's the second one. The third one is clearly present and highlight key features, right? Clearly, okay, so they're saying the same thing, clearly present and highlight the key features. So there's no need of this. Sorry, there was a mess here. All right, so this has been repeated. Okay, so but should be clearly present and highlight the key features. This is what they're saying. That means find the key features of the graph. We have just read it and make sure that these are clearly and accurately represented. What I mean that whatever is mentioned in the figure, and here I am going to talk about the figures. So let's talk about the figures, the way the ears. So that must be clearly and accurately mentioned in your writing wherever required. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, where you have understood what exactly is required to address the task achievement criteria of evaluation. Okay, thank you very much for watching it. See you very soon in the next video.